Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 18th, 2024. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. 4 of them, well, the first one I will solve is the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku number 8743. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. This one has a lot. 29. Shocking. Yes, that's shocking. That's a lot. 29. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, don't think it's a 3 stars. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 30 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 7 and a 3 in the middle column, so no 7 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 2. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left the 6 should be there. Then let me see. Come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. And look, we have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So the 8 and 9 are left. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for them are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. Then we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column. Last column. 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Okay. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then, let me see. Come on. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. First column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left of 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing. 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. The only place left with a 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. And let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers 1 is missing. Oh, no. We have a 1 here. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. Oh, 8. 9, 9. I need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Come on. 7, 7. 8. Three in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between second row, only 2 places level 3, cube in here, cube in there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 3 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in last column, no 3 there. 3 cube in here, cube in there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, only 3 places level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in that column, no 1 there. Only place level 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. We have a 7 in the column next, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Come on, 2, 5, 8. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. And 6, missing the 6 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Here can win 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there, so the 8 cube in here, cube in here. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places level 8. Cube in here, cube in here. I need a 5 here. I need a 5 in this row. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, so the 5 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing here. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places level 6. Could be here, could be there. 6 here. Come on. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 5 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left in this row for number, I believe, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. Then need a 2 here. And I need a 6 here. 6, 6. Okay, 2, 5, 8. Okay. 3, 07. Come on. I'm thinking. 2, 5, 8. 10 minutes already passed. Need to hurry. 9, 7, 6. 1, 3, 2, and a 4. No 2 here. No 2 there. 2, 2, 2. No 2 here. 2, 2, 2. But the 4, yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 4, here we have a 4. That means in this column, we need a 4 in these 3 boxes. Yeah. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 in this column should be here. Because here can be 4, we have a 4 here. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 in the first row, no 4 there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2 then. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 could be here, could be there. Then 7, 6, and the 5 are missing in the first row. 7, 6, and the 5. 7, 6, and the 5 are missing in the first row. We have a 6 and a 5 in the first column. No 6 and a 5 in this box. 6 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 7 then. Okay. 7 and 4, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in this second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and 5, we have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8, oh, yeah, 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 6 and the 5, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 6. That box should be a 5. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in the second one, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes, and there. 8, 8, 8. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. No, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and 6. Let me mark those. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column, the only place left the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes, and there. 14 minutes. Well, 0. Well, not faster than 14. Let me give this a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the morning. See you in a minute. So until then, bye bye for now.